right, everyone. I've got something very special to share with you.
Please be ice cream, please be ice cream, please be ice cream!
Introducing my latest invention.
Oh.
So help me, Tails, that better be an ice cream maker.
Minions, attack!
Perfect timing. Behold, the cutting edge of defensive technology. I call it the Village Fortifying Electromagnetic Protective Hemisphere. I mean, the Domepocalypse?
Yeah! Right.
What is this? Some sort of village fortifying electromagnetic protective hemisphere?
No, it's Domepocalypse.
Oh, good name. But it won't stop me. And by me, I mean Obliterator Pot. Thanks to Domepocalypse, the village threat level has now been lowered from certain doom to probable doom. For that, we award Tails this Trophy of Valor.
Is this trophy from a youth basketball league?
Sorry, kid, it's all we had.
Thank you. Our village is now free of Eggman's tyranny. My foolproof Domepocalypse has neutralized all air attacks forever!
Hooray for Tails!
We're finally safe.
I was told there'd be pie.
But it was foolproof.
It can't be foolproof. I got past it. I crud, that came out wrong.
Tails, we have to shut down the dome. It's helping Eggman.
I can't get to it! Knuckles, shut it down!
I'm starting to feel like you guys don't want me around. Well, fine. Maybe I'll go. Of my own volition, of course. Completely my idea. Because Domepocalypse was a total disaster, I hereby revoke Tails' Trophy of Valor. Give me that.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Ease up, everybody. We can't expect Tails to think of every possible outcome. He's only one guy.
Thanks, Sonic. But they're right. It is all my fault. It never occurred to me that Eggman might attack from underground.
For realizing it's all his fault, and because his name's already on the placard, I hereby award Tails this Trophy of Shame.
Sonic's right. I can't think of every possible outcome because I am only one guy. But if I could split myself into 5, I could form a brain trust of super scientists.
I don't care. So you gonna buy a set of encyclopedias or what?
Okay, Brain Trust. What do we do now? Oh! Yes? I don't know. You're dumb. I'm not. Hey, this wall tastes like dirt. Sonic, want to see my new invention?
Tails, that's not an invention. That's some bottle cap stuck to a gum wrapper. You seem off today, buddy. Maybe you just need something to eat. I'll run and get you a med burger. Tails? How did you get here so fast? Well, since you've eaten, Meet you back at my place? Tails?
Oh, good. Help me hang this picture.
I like helping.
Hey, Tails, wanna play volleyball?
Why?
Because I wanna play.
Why?
I don't know.
Why?
Okay, on the count of 3. 3, 2, 1, go!
Oh, why didn't you do it?
You didn't say Simon Says.
We're not playing Simon Says.
Then who is?
I don't know. We better find out before we miss all the fun. Simon Says?
Listen, buddy, you've been acting a bit weird. You need some rest.
Let's get you to bed. Stop asking me why.
Why?
Simon's gotta be around here somewhere. Oh, hey, Tails! Hey, Tails! Hey, Tails!
Knuckles, anything seem odd to you?
I'm starting to think there might be more than one Tails.
Why?
Tails must have used this to split himself.
That guy's a genius. I'd sure like to meet him someday.
I guess each one only has 1/5 of his brain power. That explains why they're all so dumb.
They seem pretty smart to me.
Let's get them all into this thing so we can put Tails back together.
Here, Tails. Come on, boy. Look at the ball. Go get it.
That could have gone better.
You guys want to see a cheese puff that looks like the mayor? I'll keep them busy. You guys find that cheese puff that looks like the mayor.
You have pudding?
What are you doing here? You trying to sneak attack me?
Why would I attack you?
Because that's what enemies do. Duh.
Duh. You're funny. Want to be friends?
Friends, huh? What about Sonic?
Who?
That's the spirit. Disloyalty is a trait I admire in a toady. Welcome to Team Eggman. First order of business, get me a towel. Where's the towel?
What towel?
The towel I asked you for. Get to it.
I found pudding.
No, not pudding. A towel.
Is this a towel?
What am I supposed to cover with that? Are you making fun of me? Yeah, forget this. I'll do it myself.
Duh.
We're still missing 5. If we don't find them, we'll never get Tails back together.
Hey, losers! My lair's infested with half-wit foxes. I'm a supervillain, not a babysitting service.
Why would the Tailses go to Eggman's lair?
Apparently because I have pudding. Or at least I used to.
Knuckles, you stay here and make sure these guys don't go anywhere.
I'll do what I can, but that cheese puff fiasco really hurt my cred.
Oh, come on! Do I come to your place and destroy stuff? Oh, wait, bad example. I do that every chance I get. All right, let's blow this clam bake.
Duck, duck, goose!
Well, have fun. It's gonna take me weeks to get that smell out of my Eggmobile.
Wait, we don't know how to put Tails back together. None of us know how to work his machine.
Fine, I'll take a look. But only because I don't want to wake up tomorrow to find a Tails in my bathtub. Again. Interesting. Did you try switching it to reverse?
Hey, you're the tech whiz, not us.
Let's get these guys inside. Come on, boy.
I'm gonna miss being smarter than you, Tails.
I'm gonna miss being smarter than you, Knuckles.
Yeah.
Whoa, that was not smart.
Oh, he's still not smart! Put him back in!
No, I mean, it wasn't smart of me to think that all I needed were copies of me, when what I really needed was my friends.
Actually, you needed me. Your friends just made things worse. I better be going. Gotta make a pudding run anyway, because someone bogarted my whole supply. I'm so mad at you, Tails.
Why?